Hello class, good morning. How are you? How's the class? I hope it's clear. So, as usual, this program is powered by Exponential Computers, and now we are in week 3. So, we are going to look into our next undersorts. We are still undersorts. Today, we are going to look into this application of sort leading to trigonometric ratio and geometry. When I say this trigonometric ratio, I mean that you can use sort to solve problems under these three: trigonometric ratios and geometry. As you can see below, this sort it has many applications. It will lead you to solve trigonometric angles, geometry, plane figures, and so on and so forth. So let us start with this trigonometry. We have some examples here. So you should find the length of the line joining A minus 5 and minus 2 and B minus 3, 4 in a Cartesian plane, leaving the answer in a short form. You see, these questions is referred to Cartesian plane figures. So we are going to leave your answer in short form. As you can see here, the solution. The length of AB is given by AB is equal to root of x square minus x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 all in square, where x1, y1 and x2, y2 have a 2 points A and B respectively, connecting the line AB. For this case, x1, y1 is equal to minus 5, comma, and minus 2. Your x1 is equal to what? Minus 5. Your y1 is equal to minus 2. And x2, comma, y2 is equal to minus 3 and 4. As you can see here, your x2 is minus 3. Your y2 is 4. Therefore, we are going to substitute these values by using the above methods AB. Whenever you see x1, you should substitute it as minus 5. y1, you should substitute it by minus 2. x2, you should substitute it by minus 3. y2, you should substitute it by 4. As you can see here, square root of minus 3 plus 5 all in square plus 4 bracket plus 2 all in square, which is equal to what? 2 square plus 6 square. 2 square is what? 4. 6 square is 36. Then you should add them. When you add them, it will give you what? 40. Then 4 times 40. You are going to break this for this 40. 4 times 10, it will give you 40. 40 times 10. Then square root of 40 is 10. Then you have 2 times root of 10. Exactly. So I hope you have done with this solution. This example 1. Let us move to another one. Exactly, you should see it clearly. Example 2. If sine theta is equal to 2 over 3, without using a calculator, find the value of tan theta, leaving the answer in simplified short form. As you can see here, the question is referring to trigonometric equations, since it is dealing with what? Theta, sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. So the more you see this one, is you are talking about this trig functions, trig identities or trig examples. So they say you should leave the answer in simplified form. So this is the solution. Given that sine theta is equal to 2 over 3, we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is an identity of trigonometric. Wherever you see sine square theta plus cos square theta, is definitely it will give you 1, which implies cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. You see, cos theta is equal to this square root of 1 minus sine square theta. You see, we take the right hand side to left hand side, then you should take the square as square root of 1 minus square theta, sine square theta. Are you following? So you should continue. Then you should substitute for sine theta. When you say you should substitute for sine theta, you are going to put the values of cos theta, which is equal to square root of 1 minus 2 all over 3 square, which is equal to 1 minus 4 all over 9. You see, 2 square will give you 4, then 3 square 9. Then you should what? Multiply by 1. When you multiply it by taking the reciprocal, we have 9 minus 4 all over 9, which is equal to 9 minus 4, 5 all over what? 9. Then 5 all over 9. Root of 9 is equal to what? 3. Is that clear? But look here. Say tan theta is equal to sine theta all over cos theta. Also, this one is an identity of trigonometry. I know that you have some knowledge on this trigonometry you are talking about in your previous classes, so I think there is no need to go back again. Since you have the knowledge, you have already know what is trigonometry, you know the identities. So now you should substitute for sine theta and cos theta by putting the values of sine theta and cos theta. If you can recall, they say our sine theta is equal to, we should go back a little bit. When you go back a little bit, this is the values of sine theta, 2 over 3. So we should substitute it. You see, 2 over 3 all over 5, root 5 all over 3. You see, by cross multiplication, you have 2 all over what? 2 all over root 3, root 5. You see, as you can see here, by cross multiplication. Are you following? These 2 times root of 5 all over root 5 times root 5 will give you root 5 square. Then 2 all over 5. This square cancel square, remain root 5. You see? This is the solution. I hope it's clear. So I think from here Or let me add another one. You have to master it. It's very, very simple. Example 3. In a triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to root of 3 minus 1 centimeter, and angle ACB is equal to 30 degrees. Without using a calculator, find the length of AC. Note that sine theta degree is equal to cos 60 degree is equal to 1 over 2, and sine 60 degree is equal to cos 30 degree, which is equal to root of 3 all over 2. You see all these one are trigonometric examples. So this is the angle ABC, angle ABC, angle A to B we have 3 minus 1 centimeter, then our theta is 30 degree. So using cosine rule, using cosine rule, which is equal to b square is equal to a square plus c square minus 2ac cos d. We are going to use this method to solve this problem. As you can see, where AB is equal to C is equal to root of 3 minus 1 centimeter, BC is equal to A is equal to root of 3 minus 1 centimeter, then AC is equal to B. Also, angle BAC is equal to angle ACB, which is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore, AB is equal to BC. B is equal to 180 minus, this is an angle of what straight line. The angle of a straight line is what 180 degrees minus angle BAC plus angle ACB, which it will give you angle BAC, which is equal to 30 degree plus 30 degree. Then 30 plus 30 is equal to 60. 180 minus 60, it will give you 120. Exactly. So from here, we can now find the length of AC. The length of AC is equal to b square is equal to root of 3 root of 3 minus 1 square plus root of 3 minus 1 square, which is equal to minus 2 all of minus 2 root of 3 minus 1 minus 3 root of 3 minus 1 cos 120. By substituting the values from above, we have this 2 into 3 minus 1 square minus 2 3 minus 1 square cos minus 1 minus 60 degree. Are you following? You see? As you can see, we are substituting from the above values. Substitution. You see, we have minus 2. You should take the square of both sides. We have 2 into root 3 square plus minus 1 square minus 2 root 3. Close the bracket, minus 1 over 2. You see, minus 2, 3 plus 1 minus 2 root of 3 plus 3 plus 1 minus 2 root of 3. You see, then you should add 3 plus 1, it will give you 4 minus 2 root 3. 3 plus 1, it will give you 4 minus 2 root 3. see, we have what? 3 into 4 minus 2 with 3. Then 3 times 4 to give you 12 minus 3 times 2, 6 root 3. Then you should take the square of both, square root of both, which is equal to 12 minus 6 root 3. Are you following? Or you are left behind? So if there is any problem, you should put your problem in the comment section below. You see it there. So let the square root of the 12 be this, for which xy belongs to what? R. Or belongs to, it belongs to R. Therefore 12 minus 6 root 3 is equal to root of x minus root of y, all in square. Comparing the two sides of the above equation, we have x plus y is equal to 12, equation 1, and minus 2 root of xy minus equal to minus 6 root of 3. Then you should divide both sides by minus 2. It will give you root of xy is equal to 3 root of 3. As you can see, then you should square both sides. If you square both sides, xy is equal to 27, equation 2. From equation 1, y is equal to 12 minus x, equation 3. Then substitute equation 3 in equation 3. We have this x into 12 minus x, below bracket, is equal to 27. Then x times 12, 12x, x times x square, which is equal to 27. Then by collecting like terms, we have x square minus 12x plus 27, which is equal to 0. Then you should factorize. You know what is factorization? X minus 9x minus 3. By factorization, we have this. Therefore, either is equal to x minus 9 is equal to 0. X is equal to 9, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 3. Then we now need to find the corresponding value for y. Since we have the values of x, then we are going to look for values of y. When x is equal to 9 from equation 3, then you should take our equation 3, which is equal to 9, x is equal to 9. Y minus 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. And when x is equal to 3 from equation 3, y is equal to 12 minus 3 minus 9. Hence the square root of the 12 minus 6 root of 3 are x, root x minus root 9 is equal to root 9 minus root 3. Root of 9, it will give you 3 minus root of 3. And root of a plus root of b is equal to root of 9, root of 3 minus root of 9. So root is equal to root of 3. Square root of 9, it will give you 3. Therefore, square root of 12 minus 6 root 3 minus plus or minus 3 minus root of 3. Since the length AC can only be positive value, the only answer here is AC. If you can recall, they say you should find the values of AC. You should find AC. So our AC here is equal to 3 minus root of 3 centimeter. Therefore, root of 3 minus root of 3. Our answer is negative. Exactly is root of 3. So from here, I think we are done with this one. Then we can, our next class, you will see more examples under this trigonometry, which is leading to short, or you can call it a day for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.